You can do anything you want. Just don't focus on girls. Stay away from females, they're a distraction. Focus on yourself. Eat healthy, take a lot of showers, read.
Girls are distractions.
Straight up.
Unless you're in I think a relationship is a distraction unless you're ready for that. You feel me? I know how much dedication and commitment that takes, so I wouldn't even go that route.
Never, ever, ever lose your mind over a woman. Listen to me. Never, ever, ever sacrifice your life or sacrifice your experiences over a woman that does not care about you.
Man who can control his lust is a dangerous man. He's unstoppable, fellas.
That's what I'm saying. You never supposed to trust these girls out here, bro. Never trust a girl. These girls would cheat on you, lie to you, straight to your face, bro. It happened to me. They would lie to you straight to your face and cheat on you straight to your face.